Good morning, all of you. This is our newly launched mini proctology soft tissue diode laser. This is a portable machine, and this comes along with the battery backup, along with all the kind of cannulas that you need, and the basic bare fiber as well as radial fiber, and it comes in a aluminium case box so that you can travel along with this machine. As you will enter into the interface, you can see you have all the options available, like continuous mode and pulse mode, the power that you can select, the pulse width that you can choose. And as you will enter into the menu, you can see the protocols are already predefined for your ENT segment as well as surgery segment. First of all, we'll enter into the surgery segment, and in surgery segment you can see the preset is already predefined for hemorrhoids, anal fistula, fissure, pilonidal sinus, varicose vein treatment, diabetic foot ulcer care, excision, corn removal and incision. So first of all, we'll enter into the hemorrhoid grade 2. The software is so beautifully designed that the energy required to be delivered in one pile mass is already preset. You just have to select your program and go to ready and connect your foot pedal. As you can see, this is a wireless foot pedal. It is connected via Bluetooth. You have to just put on your switch, and once it is connected, you will see a green signal on the top. Okay, now it is connected and you can choose your fiber and start your treatment. Suppose that you want to change the mode, the power defined, you can do as per your requirement or convenience. Same way it is preset for grade 3, grade 4 hemorrhoid, fissure, fistula, pilonidal sinus. You can see the power which need to be delivered is already preset. The pulse width inside that preset is already predefined. Energy that has to be delivered on the timer for which this preset will be running is already predefined. So basically most of the work is already done by the machine. You have to just go and get ready and start your treatment. Now along with this, we have preset for our ENT segment, where it is beautifully classified into the ear, nose and throat, oral and biostimulation segment. And this machine can be beautifully utilized for all your steppies treatment, for DCR incision, for tonsil removal, for turbinate reduction, for deep laryngeal surgeries like vocal cord polyp removal, vocal cord nodule removal, any kind of leukoplakia, lichen planus patch that can be removed. You can see mucocele, ranula, all that can be removed. And then some of the physiotherapy that can be done with this is biostimulation is the preset, trismus, TMJ pain, everything is defined. Now once we come back, you can look at the fiber which is given along with the machine. This is a bare fiber. This is 600 micron bare fiber. The same way you will get 600 or 400 micron radial fiber along with the machine. You have to choose what kind of fiber you want. And then this machine comes in a beautiful carry box. You can pack it, and this is very portable and you can take it anywhere you are going. Same way the cannula comes along with the machine, which are medical grade stainless steel cannula. They are high standard cannulas which can be autoclaved. And this is your surgical handpiece on which this cannula will be fixed. Thank you so much.